to the channel. Ew, that was gross. But currently on the plane, you're probably like, girl, didn't we see a clip from you like in the intro from 5 a.m.? Yeah, courtesy of flying standby. When flights get delayed, all those paid passengers get moved to the next available flight, which pushes back the standby list. So instead of me being in Atlanta right now, I'm on my way to Atlanta right now. And it's 2:40, I think. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm with Coco. But we fucking tired. Anyways, welcome to the vlog. See you guys in Atlanta. Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. So me and my brother, we got in Atlanta around 6:30 last night, and then we got to my sister's place and we kind of just chilled for the rest of the night. And now we are on our way to the mall. I just got done getting ready. And yeah, I will try my best to vlog more today, especially while we're at the mall. But, you know, this is like a trip for me to just like connect with my niece because I haven't seen her since she's been born. And get to know my sister's boyfriend better. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Uncle Duties and Ma. Niecy Poo is in the car. We are at the... This is fit for today. Very simple. T-shirt, shorts, shoes. We're in H&M right now. My sister's trying on clothes, but yeah. We're about to go to Cheesecake Factory for food, so I'll vlog in there. Maybe, maybe not, but still check. Hello, we made a little pit stop to feed my niece, but we are currently in front of the first base entrance for the Battery, which is the stadium for the Atlanta Braves. Yeah, so look at that, beautiful. This place is huge. Like, there's actually a lot of stuff to do here. I think they had the game today at the stadium, which is why half the roads are closed. But yeah, it's so... I want to go to a baseball game. My goal is when I come back to Minnesota, I will go to a baseball game to go see the Twins play. The Twins are all right. I don't think they're bad. I think they're good. I don't know how good they are, but I think they're good. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Oh, the coach.
Oh, he was wearing Bradford type shirt. And he had the Bradford cut, so I thought it was him. Like, that's how I identified him. I thought those Bradford based on the
Look at that car. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Hey guys, happy Thursday. So we are currently at the airport. We've been at this airport for almost 12 hours now. And I should honestly just make like a story time about like what it's like to travel standby, because it's hit or miss. And lately it's been miss because there's been like flight cancellations, the Delta pilots are striking. Like, it's just a all around hot mess right now. Plus it's 4th of July weekend, and you know everybody's trying to go see their family or, you know, go out and have fun. But I just want to go home. I miss my bed, I miss my mom, I miss my dad, I miss my car. Like, I miss being in my space. But I love my sister and my niece and her boyfriend to death. So
boyfriend?
Corey's boyfriend. So it's sacrifices we make, but let this be a lesson learned. Do not fly the week of a holiday. Just, if you're gonna fly, fly the week before, the week after. Do not fly the week of if you're flying standby. If you're not flying standby, you're fine. But if you're flying standby, literally come the week before holiday or the week after. Otherwise, you will be stuck because flights will be delayed, flights will be canceled. It is Friday, 3 o'clock in the morning,
June 30th.
and I'm still at the fucking airport. Now you're probably thinking, Chelsea, how are you at the airport? Don't you fly standby? Shouldn't you be getting a flight? Yeah, I should have gotten on a flight. We should have gotten on a flight. But you want to know what happened? Delays and cancellations. And when they don't communicate that there's delays and cancellations that are going to cause, you know, people to get rolled back on the list, it gets people pissed off. Like, I think the last flight to Minneapolis left at like 10:59 p.m., right? And there was still hella people sitting at the gate. Matter of fact, there was somebody who ran to the gate. They lost their seat. They already dropped their seat. So at that point, they were like, yeah, we can't help you anymore. Like, we're done. Go to the help desk, right? So we go to the help desk. Tell me why the help desk people saying we can't help you. Go use the phone or go to the second floor. And I'm like, bro, you guys are literally standing right here. Why do we have to... Keep in mind, like, there's already a lot of people at this airport delayed because of Delta. Like, everybody going to the same desk is not useful. So I just picked up the phone. The phone people said they couldn't help. So now I had to call my dad. And then our dad finally did it. But as we were coming to this gate, because we got here at like, I don't know, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. We've been here since fucking 6 o'clock in the morning Thursday. But when we got up to this gate in Concourse B, where the other help desk was at, baby, that line was long. The line for the help desk, which only had 3 people, by the way, was long as fuck. Then the phones, like, I don't know what's going on with the phones, but some people were able to get a hold of a representative, other people weren't. Like, there were so many people pissed off because of these Delta delays and cancellations, and Delta talking about delays and cancellations are probably gonna happen all summer. Like, nah, y'all fix it quickly. But yeah, I'll probably keep you guys posted. I don't fucking know. This vlog is mostly me at the airport. Literally, the vacay vlog is literally going to be called spending 24 hours in Atlanta on standby. Because, good morning vlog. It is Friday. It's currently 8:09 in the morning. We're still here. We are like, look at my eyes, like the bags. My eyes were bloodshot at one point. We're dirty, we're tired, we're hungry. We just want to go home. Like, I will probably actually cry tears of joy if we make the flight. But until then, we keep pushing. New flight, new gate. We're over by the international side. I say it in quotes because there's some domestic flights coming out of here. Like, the flight next to this gate is going to Tennessee. Ooh, my face was too close to the camera. The flight next to us is going to Tennessee. The flight across from us went to Cancun. And, like, yeah, it's very weird around here. But it is 4:37. My Apple Watch is about to die. And we are definitely not getting on this 5 o'clock flight because all the seats are gone and there's 50 something people on the list, and me and my brother are 50 and 51. So I'm hoping that this 7 o'clock flight clears most of this chaos up so that we can leave at 8, because I'm to the point. I feel like we've been to the point this whole, like, look at my eyes. Lack of rest. Guess what, guys? After over 36 hours of being a standby passenger, we made it. I'm about to sleep good on this flight. Nobody can tell me nothing. Yes, I cried. Yes, I had a few panic attacks. Yes, I was stressed. But God, honestly, God liked to humble me a lot, because he'd be like, bitch, relax. I got you. Shut the fuck up. And so today was one of the lessons that I learned, that, bitch, sometimes you just need to shut the fuck up. You know, it's okay to cry a little bit here and there, but yeah. So I'm about to take a good ass nap on this flight. We're gonna get there around 12:30, which is food for the birds, but bitch, I'm happy to be going home. I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed this controversy of a trip, please give this video a thumbs up because bitch, I worked for it. Anyways, love you peeps.